Hey educators, do you want to submit better assignments? Or maybe you want to improve your writing of observations? You definitely can do it. Just watch this video to find out an easy tool to make simple improvements. And you don't have to pay for it. Here is my observation that I made many years ago. As you can see, the title is here. There is a picture, there is analysis, and what is next or extension. But what you also notice that there are some words that are highlighted. I am using the tool that is called Grammarly, and I will show you interface in a second. But Grammarly helps me to eliminate some easy to eliminate errors and improve my observations straight away. So here we go. We had a discussion about, and then we can click and watch the suggestion. This could be improved, that's much easier. So we discussed what clay feels like and explored some ideas, things made of clay. So you also can see here, we recently started investigation, and Grammarly suggests that investigating is better. Food and cooking. I agree, that could be better. Suggested making, so that sounds better. So we also can add some punctuation here. This is the names stay the same, so we're just changing, really making minor changes, and this looks more professional. If your English is not your first language, or you still struggle to understand the rules of grammar and make minor mistakes, this is a tool for you. So you see, this is a free option I was using, and now my observation, which is an anecdotal observation by the way, looks fantastic and much more presentable. You can further improve it through adding, I would say, editing further by incorporating image and text, but that's more design rather than checking for grammar. Now let's have a look at my assessment that I completed a long time ago, and now we are inside grammarly.com. So I have a free account, and you can see that I have a score here on the right. So my overall score is 49. So what does it mean? Let's have a look. So we have 14,000 characters. So this really helps you also to see how many words did you write for your assessment. And this helps you to evaluate how many mistakes have you done as well. So also the word length is above average, sentence length above average, readability score 46. This is an academic writing, so it's quite okay to be above average in terms of word length. But if you're writing, let's say, a newsletter for parents, you probably would want the language to be more engaging. So also you can see here there are some suggestions in terms of correctness, clarity, engagement, and delivery. So my text is engaging, the delivery is slightly off, so maybe I need to work on that. And you also can see correctness, that's what I'm after. So let's have a look what are suggestions. So you need to see what is highlighted first. It's not always an issue. This is premium, so they don't correct. So probably punctuational error. So let's see what's gonna happen like this. Okay, so I think mesmerized is because of the spelling. Not really. Nothing is highlighted in red. So no, this doesn't help. Premium. So I feel personally that it's better to install a Google Chrome plugin. That's what I'm going to use. And you see more things in this assignment are highlighted. So you see, you can see immediate improvements. Children's opera. You may decide if you want to keep absolutely or not. But they suggest to correct it. So miss the day. Okay. I could, that's really good. Magic flute, you see, immediate corrections. Although it's not picking up in Grammarly app, I found that this plugin is working really well in the Word document if you install it in the Google Chrome. So not all the suggestions are correct, but you definitely have a chance to improve your writing with the typical errors of, I would say, me as a non-English speaking learner or someone whose English is a second language. So this can immediately improve my marks for academic writing. So I highly recommend you to use it. And obviously be mindful and read the suggestions, because sometimes it's not what you wanted to say. But so far I can see that it is quite spot on. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed it and you will use this tool for your observations like I did here to improve the readability, correctness, and professionalism as well. So you can find Grammarly everywhere, but to install it as part of your plugin, you can just download it and then use it, set it up to automatic. So it helps me a lot in my other job as online facilitator. It corrects minor spelling errors, so I definitely recommend all teachers, educators to use it, especially if English is not your first language. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.